Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of kneading dough by hand and wishing you had a magic machine to do the work for you? Look no further than the AIZIYO DoughChief, a game-changing stand mixer that's about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. With its easy setup and king-size capacity, you'll be whipping up bread, pizza, and pasta dough in no time. But what really sets the DoughChief apart is its constant temperature ferment function, which maintains a stable temperature to support proper dough proofing, helping your dough rise evenly and giving you that perfect texture. You'll love the sound of the mixer humming along as it works its magic, and the feel of the smooth, cool stainless steel bowl as you remove your freshly mixed dough. The DoughChief is also incredibly easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe removable parts that make quick work of even the toughest messes. Thousands of customers have already fallen in love with this well-reviewed mixer, and it's easy to see why. It's perfect for family-sized batches and compact enough to fit in most kitchens. Whether you're a busy parent looking to simplify your baking routine or a serious home baker trying to take your skills to the next level, the AIZIYO DoughChief is the perfect tool for the job. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your baking? With the DoughChief on your side, you'll be creating delicious, homemade treats in no time. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.